Hi guys, Jeff and Cole here again from TAP with our next video in regards to the coronavirus. This next video we're going to look at our customers coming in. Now traditionally we would get a good mix of service work. Customers would be proactive and book their car in for service. When we start to get into situations like we're in now, we start to go more in demand. So people are putting off their servicing and putting off any unnecessary repairs. But the necessary ones that in demand, they're coming in because the car's actually got a problem.
Something's happened and the car's faulting, so they're coming in to see us. And so when they do, they have this protection mode. Hey, I just want you to do that. In fact, you'll say to them, while we're here, we'll have just fix that, just fix
minimal
that.
repairs.
Minimal repairs. And we make sense, and we've got to show the empathy and understanding. But on the other hand, we've also got a responsibility. And that means that when we put a vehicle up on the hoist, we look at a vehicle, if we see something, we're supposed to report it and make customers aware. So we need a format to do that. So when the customer comes in an on-demand repair, which is usually what?
Front brakes or tyres or a warning light on, car not running, blowing black smoke, all those sorts of things that the customer goes, oh, I'm not happy about this. To them, it feels like it's going to break down, so they want to get it fixed before it actually breaks down.
And the thing that actually breaks down the most that they don't know about, in many cases, is something you check on every car.
Yeah, the battery. Okay, in my workshops, every car's battery is tested because I want to tell that customer, whether they buy a new battery or not, how the state of their battery is, because I don't want them not starting in a few days' time and saying, well, I was just in with Jeff's workshop, why didn't you tell me the battery was flat? Or battery was poor. So
going back to what we said at the start of this whole process was that people are fearful. And rightfully so. And what they want is their car to be reliable. Yeah. The last thing they want is the battery going. So yeah, we need to check it. So here's an idea for you. When the customer comes in with an on-demand repair, so that's fine. I've got a form, if you'd like to, send me the details that you wanted on the address at the end of this video, and it's a form that shows you how to write it out and it puts it into colours. So you've got green's okay, yellow needs attention, soon and red's immediate. So what will happen is you'll say, yes, Mr. Jones, we'll have a look at that repair that you want us to do. We'll also have a visual inspection of these 5 key areas, just to ensure everything's okay, and we'll report back to you. Now, if you were to find the battery then, you ring the customer up and say, Mr. Jones, we've got some good news for you. We've identified that issue that you asked us to. By the way, we checked your battery, it's a little bit on the blink, it could let you down. Would you like us to replace it? Now, if the customer says no, that's fine, because it's their choice. But here's what you say. You say, Mrs. Jones, it's your vehicle, it's your money, it's your choice. It's our responsibility to make you aware. And that's all you have to say. If they don't want to replace it, that's fine. But the last thing you want is that customer to go away.
Yep, and it break down, or the brakes wear out, or the tyres, or whatever. So it's across the board, anything you might find, especially if it's in that red zone. If it is critically important for safety or reliability, I think it is our responsibility to let the customer know. They don't want to hear it, but our responsibility. They may ignore that advice and take it, that's fine. But if something happens to the car in the next few days, we've got a clean conscience, we at least let them know. So I think it's important. This isn't about upselling guys work that's not necessary. This is just about highlighting it to a customer what is genuinely required to keep their car safe and reliable.
And that's why we have that little sentence. It's your vehicle, it's your money, it's your choice, it's your options. And it's our responsibility to tell you. And that's all we're asking people to do today, is just give the customer the options so they've got a reliable car in their driveway. Yeah, that's what it's about.
That's the way. So think about that again. If you want that sheet from Cole, just email him that to get that form from him. He's got lots of great forms and initiatives in helping us be able to communicate with our customers. Keep an eye out for the next video. We'll see you then.